Hi guys, this is Praveen Batla, and in this video we're going to learn how we can extract email IDs from Instagram. Now, Instagram is a great platform for people in the food, travel, decor, or lifestyle businesses. So I'm using a simple technique here to extract email IDs from those pages. So let us just see. I have just picked up a random Instagram uh, uh, profile to just show you. So this is a random Instagram profile that I had picked. So there she has an email ID on her bio. So there are two ways to reach out to these people. You could actually DM, which is there on the mobile app, but unfortunately it isn't there on the desktop version. But now definitely it has people have email IDs on their bios, so that we could reach out to them. So we're going to leverage that. So how we are going to do it? It's very simple, right? I'm going to use Google search operators again. Um, so here I have this format ready. I just copy it and I'll paste it here. I'll just paste it here. We have so many results here. Okay, so for people who do not know how the Google search operators work, so site will tell Google exactly to pull up results from Instagram.com. So all the results that we see here are from Instagram.com. So that's what it is. Now again, we are using for this video. I've used fitness trainer as a niche as my niche. You could use your niche based on you could search for food bloggers or not travelers or you know whoever it is based on your business requirement. Now I'm also using here in text. So this tells people Google. This tells Instagram, uh, Google. Sorry, this tells Google to written pages that have fitness trainer or fitness coach or personal trainer in those Instagram pages, and it's going to return us that those pages only. Now here you could type or in capitals, so it tells Google exactly to return full data from either pages of Instagram that have either fitness trainer or fitness coach or personal trainer in that. So now we need emails, their emails. So what we are doing here is in the search string, we are adding in inverted commas, we are adding all the like popular uh, email accounts like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, Ymail, Outlook, Zoho. So let's see what happens. So this is what it is. Now it has all the email IDs here, and we have to see uh, we have to extract all the email IDs from these from this page. So for this I'm using uh, a tool, a Chrome extension called email extractor. Okay, this is a very useful tool. You could just go to Chrome Web Store and you could add it here. It's already added to my Chrome. Let me just open it. So okay, I've just opened this page. So here you could see there are 89 email IDs in the first page is already extracted. So what you could do is for maximum efficiency, you could actually change your settings, so settings here, and keep it at 100. It's already at 100 for me. So that's the reason at single stretch it has pulled 89 email IDs. Now I'm going to select all and I'll export it to CSV format. I have downloaded this file here. Okay, I'm sorry. You could actually copy it and open an Excel file. This is much easier, and paste it here. So here you see all the email IDs are there, right? You could do this for multiple pages, for second page, third page, and so on, and that way you will be able to get maximum email IDs, and those email IDs you could actually use for your drip campaigns. Now, the key is to actually play around with with these keywords. You could actually, this I have given in a single stretch. You could actually use keywords for your particular niche. You know, you could use a fitness trainer and then play around with your keywords to get maximum results in that, in a search query. Okay, now let's see if now if we could go look location specific wise. We also need profiles to actually message directly. So here I'm sorry, it didn't get copied. Okay, now let's see. So it's the same string. So now I have profiles of each of these trainers from Delhi. I have given a location called Delhi here, and I have given keywords as fitness trainer or fitness coach or fitness instructor. Now, if you want only the URL links of all these IDs, let's open and see. So these are their Instagram IDs. Now if you want to scrape all of this Instagram IDs and then uh, open these profiles on your mobile app and then directly message them, reach out to them, that also you could do. For this I'm using a tool called Link Clump that this is also a Chrome extension. It's a very simple uh, extension. It's already there. I'm just going to click on this option. You just have to click on copy to clipboard, and then it can do it can do multiple things, but you want all the URLs to be copied to an Excel sheet, so that you will do. And you need only URLs. No, we need the titles as well, so I'll click on URL with titles. So now here, how does this work? You just have to press the button Z, and then left click and then just drag it. It automatically gets copied to your clipboard. Now let's see how this works. I'm pressing the button here. See, so all the URLs are getting marked by red. All you have to do is just drag it down. Before doing that, we have anyways changed the search setting to 100 searches per page. We'll go to the end of this page. We have 100. It didn't get copied, so let me just try one more time. So here I have the list of all the URLs from Google. You could do this for multiple cities and play around with the keywords and get maximum searches. Here you could do it for multiple pages. And now, so here you could use these email IDs for your drip campaigns and send targeted mails. And here you could use these profiles. So these are their Instagram IDs, so Instagram names. So you could search for them and reach out to them directly on the Instagram page. And I hope you find this video useful for you. Thanks a lot for watching.